Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is chili chapathi. You can prepare this recipe in 10 minutes. You can serve this chapati without any curry. Let's start the recipe. Here I am preparing chili chapati with 2 chapatis. Make chapati into pieces. Now in a pan, take 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of cumin, 2 small chopped onions, 1 or 2 green chilies. Adjust green chilies as per your taste. Saute until onion turns soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Now add 1 small size chopped tomato. Saute until tomato becomes soft. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 tablespoon of red chilli powder, salt as per your taste, half tablespoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Adjust red chilli powder as per your taste. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Add chapati pieces and mix well. Now switch off the flame and add chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix well. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Tasty, easy and quick breakfast or snack recipe is ready. Serve hot. More breakfast recipes and snack recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.